How to install and create Patreon account. So if you want to install and create Patreon account, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you can go with search. Under search, you can search for Patreon, and here you will have install option. You just need simply go with install and install the application. After installing, you can tap on open and it will open up the application. Now, if you want to create an account, then you can just simply enter the email address. After that, go with continue and it will ask you for your name. So you need to enter your name, go with continue and tap on allow if you want to allow the notifications, and that's it. Your account has been created. You can go with the top right and here you will have your account. So that's how you can create your account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.